start. First, I'm gonna say the edge pieces in the Rubik's Cube. This is an edge piece, this is an edge piece, this is an edge piece, this is also an edge piece. So these are white facing edge piece, blue facing edge piece, orange facing edge piece, and so on. Now we'll talk how many edge pieces are there. There are total 12 edge pieces. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now let's talk how many colors do they have. They have 2 colors in each edge pieces. As you can see, white and orange, white and blue, white and red. If you take any edge pieces, it will be like that. Now we'll talk about corner pieces. The corner side of the cube is a corner pieces. As you can see, these 4 are corner pieces. See, orange, white, and blue. Now these corner pieces have 3 colors. Like here, white, red, blue, white, green, red, white, orange, green, white, blue, red. See, as you can see, these all are corner pieces having 3 colors. Now let's talk how many corner pieces are there. There are total 8 corner pieces. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the centerpiece. They are the only one piece with one color. As you can see, this is a centerpiece, this is a centerpiece, this is a centerpiece, this is also a centerpiece. So there are total 6 centerpieces having one colors. See, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They never change their position at all. If you turn them in any direction, they never change their position. If you shuffle them, they don't change their position at all. This is the specialty about the centerpieces. They never change their position in any direction. If you scramble them, they won't change their position. So thank you.